For the O-level commerce students, let me give you the knowledge of what is this accounting or the definition of accounting by taking few minutes. So let me take an example. If you take a business, there are different people who are interested about this business. Now let's assume in my example, I am taking the company dialogue. So regarding dialogue, owners of the dialogue are interested. Why is that? They want to get the profits, dividends, and government is interested about dialogue, maybe to collect taxes, and customers are interested about dialogue because they have to ensure they are getting the service from the dialogue or not. And suppliers, sometimes there are suppliers who will supply materials like maybe stationaries for dialogue, so they are interested about dialogue. So different people are there who is interested about dialogue. So dialogue's responsibility is to give their information for these people. Why? They have to make decisions. These people, interested people about dialogue, we will call them as stakeholders, if not users. So for these people, as the dialogue, they have to give their businesses information to make decisions. So that complete process only we will call it as accounting. So let me write it. Let me give you the crystal clear understanding. It's a process. It's a process of giving. It's a process of giving or providing business information for the users. These people are interested people, stakeholders. Why are we giving the information? To make decisions. So simple as that. If you can remember these 5 words, based on these 5 words, we can construct the definition for the accounting. So as I told you, what is accounting? So these people, they need information to take decisions. As the business, we have to give the information, provide the information. So let's go through the 5 words that I gave you. Accounting is a process of giving or providing the business's information for the users or for the stakeholders to make decisions. Simple as that. Again, let me repeat. Accounting is a process of giving or providing businesses information for the users to make decisions. This complete process, it is accounting. Simple as that. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and please make sure to share the video with your friends as well.